Hi to all, my name is LX-D2 and in today's video we have this. So this is a small printer. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. So let's open it up. Here we have some paper. And here we have multifunctional mini printer. This is user's manual, or is it? Oh, it's just some kind of paper. And let's open this. So this is model LX-D2. It has, I think it has battery. Yeah, it has. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. So here we have USB type C. That's good. Here is our printer, and here we have nothing in the box. And this is user's manual. So I'm gonna read this and I'm gonna see what we can do with this printer. So this is our star mini printer. Nice. We have some paper in, so that's nice. And to turn it on, you simply push the button, and now it's ready to connect with phone. But I'm gonna check the user's manual and I get back to you. So we need to download this app, and after that we're gonna use the printer and let's print something. So to connect your printer, just download this app. Go to Add the device, turn on your Bluetooth, add the device, you see, click to connect. Okay, now it's connected. Print. Like this. And now it's printing. I took a photo from this, like this, and this is what came out. So yeah, it's very nice. It's not color, it's black and white, but so I took it like this and it came out perfect. So the details are good. Yeah, I'm very pleased. So you can take photo, you can print your own photo, or you can make photo, and you just simply download the app. The app is called Dulva. This app, and you simply connect either the printer, and that's it, and it is ready for printing. So I'm very pleased with this. So this very small printer, you can have lots of fun. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe, and wait for my next video. Don't forget to support me and to subscribe. ZC Dark out. Bye.